Hello everyone, this is Ashish Kumar, Assistant Professor at MIT Muzaffarpur. So we are now going to deal with the estimation for road part 2. So we will see we have seen till your artwork, and now we are trying to have the GSP and WBM materials. So again, for grade 1 material, the construction of granule subbase by providing well graded material is spreading in uniform layers with the tractor mounted grader arrangement on prepared surface, mixing by means mix place with a OMC and compacted up to wheel roller achieved to the desired complete as per technical specification clause 401. So you need this item we are getting from MORD data book, and based upon that we are trying to calculate the quantity. So this was regarding the GSP. So GSP, where they are trying to use for Hume pipe and for irrigation canal, conduit and all, and uh, the, uh, this GSB item is being used wherever the basically you have either a Hume pipe culvert is there, or some conduit is there. So nearby we should provide the filter material. So filter material, for providing the filter material is basically GSB, called as granule sub base. So it is being proposed. So we should move to the other item. Say again, WBM grade 2, providing laying, spreading and compacting stone aggregate of a specific sizes of waterborne macadam, a specification including spreading in for thickness, hand picking, rolling through three wheel roller, and in a stages to proper grade and camber, applying and brooming, crushing and screening, fill up to the interiors of means it is entire item is for the WBM, including every activity has been identified here. If something will miss, it will be the violation of the contract, and contractor is not supposed to do that. So while deriving these items, we should be very careful about it. So we have seen it GSP grade 2, where we are giving in profile correction, and then as a overlaying of the strengthening overlaying layer. So here you can see that these are the cross section what we have. So grade 2 we were providing as a profile corrective course, and then grade 2 is uniformly we are providing this layer. We are providing uniform throughout, uniform we are providing. So here you can see that for overlaying we are providing, and profile correction you are providing. So number is 1, the length is 5.3 kilometers, and the width is 3.75 meter only, and the thickness is 50 what we have seen, and uniformly 75 we are providing. So this is the final quantity, and then you have different rates for it. And again, for Hume pipe and irrigation canal you need extra material. For the why this extra material is required, so you have, if you see longitudinally, you have culverts and all, and you have to provide a slope, uniform slope, because your height, the road height is being increased. So here the thicknesses are also changing. So for compensating that, you need to have this thing. Again, for grade 3, you have similar item, and overlaying we are trying to do, and the thickness width is 3.75, and the thickness of the payment is 75 So WBM, here you can see that WBM we are providing it 75 mm thickness. Over that, we need to see the OGPC thicknesses. So OGPC, we can see the next bituminous item. So we need to have the prime coat, because uh, once you have unbounded layers, that is WBM is considered as unbounded, because you are not providing any bounding material to it, means kind of bitumen. So for the surface, you need to put the prime coat over it, so that the connection between the layer or load transfer between the bituminous layer and unbounded layer will be happen truly. So for that, you are providing the prime coat. So prime coat item is there. So bituminous emulsion type is also specified as SS1, that is slow setting type 1 has been calculated. And here you can see that the item uh, your the quantity is per square kilometer is also mentioned, and overlay for the proposed flexible payment. uh, so the width is 3.75 only, we have seen it, and this is in a square meter. So you need to multiply it by the length of your road. So length is 5.34 kilometers. So accordingly, the quantity has been arrived here. So the rate is here, and multiplied by quantity and rate is, it is the total, it is coming. For extra widening, you know that at curve you need to have the extra widening. So accordingly, the 2% of the extra quantity has been considered for the extra widening. Again, you are providing that tag bituminous tag code over the bituminous prepared base after prime coat to have the better bonding. So you have for the flexible payment, the quantity is same at what we have for the your prime coat. Then we are talking about the premix carpet of 20 mm, what we have taken as a OGPC, open graded premix carpet we need to provide. So premix carpet item is being provided in two way. So first, premix is something you mix first and then you lay it. So providing laying and rolling of open graded premix carpet of 20 mm thickness, composed of 13.2 mm aggregate and 5.6 mm aggregate, either using penetration grade bitumen or emulsion. They are not specifying the bitumen type, but they need to have the proper bitumen type, and then they are calling by rolling and spreading with the filler of type A, type B or type C material. Again, here you can see the number is 1. The length is 5.34 kilometer. Width of the payment is 3.75. The total quantity is length multiplied by width is the total quantity, and for the extra widening, another you are taking the 2% of the quantity. So total it is coming to this, and the rate is 205.03, and the total amount it is coming to this much. Again, based upon after laying of open graded premix carpet, that is OGPC, you need to provide the seal coat. So type B seal coat have been proposed to be provided. So over that, you are providing the type B seal coat. So here you don't have, because this quantity is being taken in a square meter, so you need to provide the seal coat as per this specification. So it is total coming to this much. So these all about the flexible payment. Now we can see the your like road furnitures and all. What are the road furnitures we are providing? So we are providing a kilometer stone. So M15 grade kilometer stones what we have. So 5 kilometer stone, then ordinary kilometer stone, and to at every 200 meter you are providing the precast stones. So the total based upon your road where for the 5.3 kilometers. So uh, these are the number, and then ordinary you have 8, and at every 200 meters unit, so total number is 43. So rates for different, it has already been calculated as per SOR, and then here the total amount has been mentioned. Then providing and fixing the logo of project, so it has the specification of logo of project, and providing fixing logo as per different number is it is there as per requirement has been mentioned. Another is providing new letters and figures in any shade for the place identification and all. So then boundary pillar and guard walls we are providing at the side, and then rumble strips for the accident prone areas. So rumble strips they have provided in square meters. So thickness of the rumble strip has been considered 150 mm. Then traffic signs they have considered, so different signs you might have studied the different kind of signs. So they have given it also here. So different signs, and the rates for different signs has been evaluated, and accordingly the amount is. Then road marking with hot applied thermostatical compound with reflectable glass beads for the bituminous surface. So you want to provide the road marking also. So accordingly at the edges you are providing the road marking. So both sides road marking you are giving because the pavement thickness is 3.75 only. Length is it has been given, and width of is 100 mm width we are considering accordingly. Other rate is like that. Then for planting of trees we are trying to have plant trees on the both hand side, and the total number of trees has been evaluated. So almost the quantity is 534. So in every 10 every kilometer they are trying to provide 100 trees. So rate has been right to this. And turfing you are providing at, turfing is nothing but you are providing at slopes. We are trying to provide turfing. So based upon that the total quantity is being calculated. So this is what we have for the uh, uh, flexible payment. So thank you so much. We have already seen